Have you any time came across comparing two data, each data having thousands or millions of elements? Yes, it's indeed an impossible task. When it comes to explain about the data having thousands of elements, again, it's a impossible task. Now the issue is, in big data, in this world of data science, data analytics, we do always use large amount of data, and definitely it's always required to explain, to compare data. So when it comes to explaining or comparing data, it is impossible to deal with the total data as it is. So it has to be condensed to a small chunk of numbers, and that can be made through the tools called statistics. Statistics is a science or maths where we make use of the data and convert the data into needed information. The information may be the mean, variance, or probabilistic ways of dealing with it, explaining the data in probabilistic sense, and it makes easier if we can model the data into some known form and then work on it. All these are possible through the statistics, and statistical analysis will be a great help when dealing with machine learning or data analytics. Statistics can be done at a raw level in the programming, but when it becomes a bigger one, then definitely we do require some tools that can aid us in simplifying our work. So there are many statistical tools available. Under Python, we have libraries called NumPy, Pandas that can help us in finding the statistical analysis for the given data, and that in further can be used to compare or understand the insight of the data. R is basically a statistical platform where all the statistical activities can be done on the tips of the hand, and very easily all the activities can be taken up. R is specially designed for statistical analysis. Along with the analysis, the R is also useful in showing the graphical analytics and will be highly useful when dealing with a large amount of data. Julia is another platform where we can work with high-end statistics, so we can make use of Julia. The Octave is an open source tool which is statistically a better version of MATLAB. This Octave is an open source tool and hence will be highly useful for the beginners, and it helps in understanding the details of the data and all that. So in the coming session, we look into these tools in detail one by one and see how each one can help us in understanding the big data and make sense out of it. So keep watching. Thank you.